Hello everybody, it's Kim. I am going on to my next food preservation, which is this great big ham. When I was down in the city visiting my daughter, I found it for 89 cents a pound. So I paid $9.06 for 10.18 pound ham. You can see we've eaten a couple meals off of it, which is okay, but I want to put the rest in the freezer. I'm not going to go through a whole long video. I showed you how I cut up my turkey, but I'm basically going to use my actual boning knife to cut this up the best I can. I have a pan over here to my right off camera that I'm going to put the pieces of meat in. And then what I like to do is weigh it up and decide, how much goes in each package. Because there's 3 of us here, I usually allow about 4 ounces of meat per person. And that way I make sure nothing goes to waste. Because that's about a good sized dinner for us. Sometimes the guys want a little something extra, so I'll make something extra on the side. But with the impending food shortages, possibly, especially with the food price raising the way it is, I want to make sure I, don't let them eat just ham and have something else to go with it, like potatoes. Or last night we had ham, mashed potatoes, and cream corn. I know a lot of people don't like cream corn, but we grew up on it on top of our mashed potatoes, so it's kind of a little luxury thing we do whenever we get a ham. So I'm going to get the majority of this off, get it down to the bone, and we'll see what, I get out of it. Let me tell you, that ham went a lot faster than the turkey. This is a whole stack of slices that I got. That was the spiral part. This is some of the trimmings off the bone. There's what's left of the bone. And then these are some big chunks that were at the bottom that the spiral slicer couldn't get. So most of that's going to get sliced up. The rest will get chopped up. I like to use the chopped up stuff for things like, we love scalloped potatoes with ham and cheese. So I make a couple of those, and you could put them in soup or whatever. And that bone, I'll probably simmer for a while and get the flavor out of it to put in with some beans I hope to can in a few days. So anyway, that is everything I got off that ham, and now I have to package it up. And I wanted to show you, I did a further breakdown. These were those kind of large chunks that came off the bottom of the ham after it got done spiraling. I chopped up all the little bits and pieces because I use those in my scalloped potatoes and then my pizza. So those are going to go in packages, individual packages for that. This is the leftover. It's not bad. It's just this is the outer portion that's a little tough to eat. And some of the pieces that have some not so pleasant looking things. And of course the bone. So that will be made into soup stock that I can cook bean soup in. Or I don't like pea soup, so I'll cook like white beans in it and make some soup stock. And of course that's all the ham that needs to go in the packages. So, and these pieces have good flavor. If I grind them, I can add them to those beans and really add that punch of ham flavor to it. So anyway, my next step, I got to get the vacuum sealer out and hope it's still working because I broke it and I tried to fix it. If not, I will have to go get a new one. All right, I have all my ham packaged up. I got 3 packages of bits. I did these in 8-ounce packages for pizza and the scalloped potatoes. And then I have 7 packages of 12 ounces of the ham slices. I have a little bit of ham left over. I think I'm going to make a pepperoni and ham and mushroom pizza tonight. And that doesn't include the pieces I ate for lunch because I was really hungry. But I don't think that's too bad. I have 10, 11 more meals plus the 2 we ate. So we got 13 meals off of 1 ham for $9. That makes me very happy. All right, besides the meals I already got, I have the ham bone and the scraps in the stock pot. I'm going to at least make some ham stock. I don't know if I'm going to have time to do beans right now because I just bought 20 pounds, two 10-pound bags of chicken leg quarters to preserve, and that has to get done before I go on to anything else. Luckily for me, my cheapo little vacuum sealer I picked up a couple years ago for $22 or something. I had snapped the lid off, but I got it back together. I do have to help it a bit. I have to press it down in the middle because it's kind of bowed right here. But as soon as it's done vacuuming, I just press it with both hands. Red turns light. No, light turns red. And it seals. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you're stocking up on your food and have a wonderful day.